is the story of Jimmy and the mango tree. In the little village of River Gut, where goats walk across the road like them own it, lived one boy named Jimmy. Jimmy did love mango more than him love school, and trust me, that say a lot. Now, beside Miss Rita yard, grow the biggest, juiciest, most well-behaved mango tree in the whole parish. Every mango look like it get facial and massage daily. People call it King Mango Tree, but Jimmy call it Heaven pon a branch. But there was one little problem. Miss Rita, she guard them mango them like a soldier on mango patrol. One day, Jimmy decide him not go school. When him reach the fence, him whisper, "Easy now, mango me soon come pick you," and you him scale the fence like ninja lizard, land silent in Miss Rita's yard and start climb the mango tree. When him reach the top, but just as him stretch fi grab one big, golden mango, so him can enjoy himself, him hear a voice say, "Me mango you think you a tief, Jimmy?" It was Miss Rita. In her hand, the broom of doom. Jimmy panicked. Him grab a mango and run. But Miss Rita, she fast. She run like she trained fi Olympics. Jimmy dashed through the yard, mango in a hand, foot a gallop, and Miss Rita hot pon him heels. He jumped the fence, but him pants catch pon a nail. Him hang up there like clean laundry, legs flailing. Mango fall and roll back to Miss Rita. She pick up the mango, look up at Jimmy and say, "Next time you want mango, juice ax my. But you better come with good manners and clean hands." She free him from the fence and give him one mango fi bravery and a light tap pon him head with the broom for badness. From that day, Jimmy become River Gut Mango Ambassador. Miss Rita even start sell mango jam, and Jimmy help but only when him finish him homework. And so, every mango season, people still talk about the day Jimmy flies through the air, pants stuck pon fence, chasing mango glory. The moral of the story is, if you want mango, don't tief it, negotiate by asking politely.